Morning students, welcome to your another virtual class. What are we going to do today? Discussion of the exercises which are related to lesson number 4 articles. Yes, now we are pretty confident about all the three articles. Definite article the and indefinite articles a and an. Once we'll go through these exercises, there will be a revision of the concepts as well as our confidence will also improve. Let's start. There is exercise 1 on page number 29. First one, Lucy ate an apple and a mango. It's the simple consonant and vowel sounds which are coming. Apple, vowel sound, that's why an, mango, consonant sound, a. We came to the lake with an island in the middle. Okay, now why I have said the lake? Because we went to a certain place. So I'm talking about that particular lake where we visited. Okay, we came to the lake with an island in the middle. Ruchi is spending her holidays at Shimla with an aunt of hers. Okay, an aunt because A has a vowel sound. Aunt. Lester made an excellent discovery. Same is here. Vowel sound. Now moving to fifth one. What a nuisance. What a nuisance. N is a consonant sound. A train is late by at least an hour. If I talk about this word hour, remember we discussed H is silent. So we will not say hour, we will say R. H is silent. So first sound is vowel sound. We always write articles according to the first sound. So what is first sound? Vowel sound. That's why an. Okay. Sixth, Mr. Khanna is an honorable man. Again, H is silent. It is not honorable. That is wrong. It is honorable. O sound is there. Vowel sound. That's why an. And dash honorable men. I'm sorry children, it's misprint over here. Okay, instead of this M, it was M-E-N, men. Okay, it's a typing mistake. So it was honorable men. When I'm saying men, M-E-N, I'm talking about plural. And before plural, you remember I told you, either we'll put the or we will not put any article. So this is a general statement. Honorable men are always fair and just. So whoever is honorable, that person will be fair and just. So I'm talking about all the men. All the men who are honorable are fair and just. Okay. So that's why I have not put any article. I have not put any article here. Okay. Now moving to the next. She is very fond of tea. Tea is uncountable noun. Yes, tea is uncountable noun. And I told you before uncountable noun we will not put article. We should give her a cup of tea. A cup of tea, because I'm not talking about tea, I'm talking about cup. A cup. K sound is there, consonant sound. That's why A. It is a pleasure to know that your father has been elected an MP. Remember I told you about abbreviations? We have to look for the first sound, M. A sound is there, M. That's why vowel sound is there. That's why we have put an MP. Okay. Now moving to the ninth one children, just look carefully. I have not put any article before these words. I have not put any article. Why? Any guesses? Because this cheese, butter, iron, milk, what are these? These are all material nouns. These are all material nouns. I told you Before proper noun, abstract noun and material noun, we will not put any article. So that's why I have not put any article here. Okay. We have formed a union. Y sound, Y sound is there. Y sound, union. It is not union, it's union. Y sound, Y sound. That's why A is there. Okay. Sandeep is an active member of a union. Yesterday I saw a European. We also discussed this word European in our slides. When I say European, yes, European, it's Y sound, European. Y sound, again Y sound. That means it's a consonant sound. Okay? That's why A. European. Riding an elephant. Okay? Now moving to the last. It's simple one. An uncle of mine who is an artist was hit by an arrow, because all are vowel sound. First sound is vowel in all the three words. Uncle, artist and arrow. Now, exercise 2. Here is the pen that you have been looking for. Why the pen? Because I am talking about a specific pen which you have been looking. The pen. The industrial fair was inaugurated in the city by the chief minister, because I am talking about a particular industrial area which was there in a particular city, and it was inaugurated by a particular chief minister. That's why the is there in front of all the words. Yeah. Now here the moon and the sky, they are one in whole universe. And something which is one in the universe, we write the in front of it. The moon, the sky. Coming to fourth. Please show me the letter you have received. I am talking about particular letter which you have received. That's why the letter. Okay. The more you read, the more you know. Now this is a phrase. The more you read, the more you know. Yes, when I am talking about the phrase, so I'll write the in front of them. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. The sun, it's unique in the universe. The east and the west are the name of the directions. Yes, they are telling you the directions. That's why the east and the west. Eggs are sold by the dozen. Now here listen carefully, children. Dozen means 12 in number. Dozen means 12. Okay. Now why I have not written a dozen? Because what does that mean? Eggs are sold by a dozen, which means eggs are sold in lots. Eggs are sold in lots. And the lots is sold out by dozen. That lots of eggs are sold by dozen. If I'm saying the dozen, I'm talking about a particular unit of measure. A particular unit of measure. That's why I'm saying the dozen. Okay. The Ganga rises in the Himalayas and falls in the Bay of Bengal. Now this is very crystal clear. I told you name of river, name of mountain. Yes. And something here, the Bay of Bengal. It is talking about the water body. Right? The Ganga, the Bay of Bengal and the Himalayas. Water bodies and river, mountain and water bodies. So I'm talking about something specific. Right? Now I told you with newspapers and journals, we write the Hindustan Times. Yes. And again, why the largest? Because with superlative, we write the. With superlative. Yes. In the northern part of the India. Of the India or of India? It's India. There is no article here because India is a proper noun. The northern part, because I'm talking about particular part of India. That's why the northern part. Yes. But why I have said no article before India? It's a proper noun. Okay. USA is an industrialized country. Industrialized, vowel sound, first sound, vowel sound. Last evening, the Prime Minister went to see the President. The Prime Minister and the President. We always are talking about some specific person. That's why the Prime Minister and the President. Now here I'm talking about the fox. Remember I told you, I gave you an example also. The lion is a carnivore or the tiger is a national animal. These were the examples which are discussed with you. So the fox, I'm talking about the whole group, whole class which is named as fox. So I'm talking about all the foxes of the world. Yes, the fox is a clever animal. Okay, the fox is a clever animal. So here the fox is not talking about any particular fox. It is talking about a group, a class of animals which is given a name fox. So I'm talking about all the foxes. Yes, all the foxes. Foxes are clever animal. In place of that, foxes are clever animal, I've said the fox is a clever animal. Okay. Now moving to next, this book contains moral stories. I'm not talking any article there because I'm talking about the moral stories which are from the Mahabharata. Now here I'm talking about the holy book. Remember the Mahabharata, the Quran, the Bible, the Mahabharata. Okay. A stone hit him on the head. So I'm writing the head because I'm talking about that particular boy, him. I'm talking about a particular boy and a stone hit on his head. That's why the head. Okay. Exercise 3, page number 31. The sooner it is done, the better it is. Again, it's a phrase. What a shame, you have beaten an innocent child. First, a shame, consonant sound, an innocent child, vowel sound. Third, last Saturday I went to the school to meet an old teacher of mine. I'm talking about the particular school which was my school. Yes, I'm talking about a particular school where I was taught. So, the school. Now here Kalidas is again a proper noun, so I'm not writing anything here. But you will ask, ma'am, again Shakespeare is also a proper noun. Now why you have written A? Children, here I'm not talking about Shakespeare, I'm talking about Kalidas, who is given a title of Shakespeare. Okay? If I'm giving a title to somebody as a proper noun, there I can write a Shakespeare. If I would have been talking about Shakespeare, then I would have not written anything. I'm talking about Kalidas, who is described as a Shakespeare of India. Okay. I'm moving to the fifth one. The milk used to make this ice cream. I am saying the milk because I have used this milk to make this ice cream. This particular ice cream is of pure quality. Okay. Children should drink milk every day. Children, plural noun. I have put a no article, milk, because it's uncountable. Okay. Now here I am talking about the mankind, children. The mankind, I am talking about all the human beings. Again, this is group. The way we have done this fox, the mankind. Okay. The mankind should love nature. Now nature again, it's an abstract noun. Yes. The black and white cow. Now you will ask me, ma'am, why we have not written the here? The black and the white. Okay, children, try to recall what I told you. If I am putting the two times, it will talk about plural. And the sentence is, the word is in the sentence tells I am talking about only one cow. Only one cow. So, the black and white cow. If I would have written the black and the white cows, It would have been cows. So according to the sentence, cow is, we have to write cross here. We don't have to put any article. Okay. A word to the wise. Now here I am saying the wise means I am talking about particular group of people who are wise. A word to the wise is sufficient. He is truly a great human, great consonant sound, but he is not a Gandhi. The way I did just now of the Shakespeare, Kalidas is not a Shakespeare. So I am talking about a boy. He means a boy, yes or no? He is a boy, and he is not a Gandhi means he does not have the values which Gandhiji had. Yes, so he is not a Gandhi means I am trying to figure out that his values are not as Gandhiji's values were. Okay. Now page number 31, we have exercise 4 and there is a paragraph. You have to insert the articles. Michael Jordan has been one of the most famous players from USA. One day, as a child, consonant sound, as a child, he went home in tears and told his mother that he had not been selected in the team. Particular team. A team was being selected and he was not selected for that particular team. Yes? Now, I have used this word mother here. That's why I will write the mother here. Repetition. Okay? The mother said, son, it is not the size of a person. So I am specifying that this is the particular, you can say, feature. It is not the size of a person in a game that matters, but the size of a game in a person. What does this line mean? That means it does not depend whether your size is big or small. It depends upon what sort of game you can play. You can play a big match or you cannot play a big match. That matters. Okay? Michael looked puzzled, for he had not understood what the mother meant. Your small size had nothing to do for your rejection. The coach must have seen. Now I am saying the coach. Particular coach. Coach of Michael. Yes, the coach. The coach must have seen that as a player you needed to mature a lot. Yes, you have to work a lot. You have to mature a lot. We will use a before that. Yes. Before you could make it to the team, the mother explained. Again, I am talking about particular team and this is the repetition of the word. Next morning, Michael woke up early and started practicing. When the next season came, he tried again and made it to the team. Why the next season? I am talking about particular season which came after that selection of team. After the team was selected, he started doing practice, and after that when the next session came, when there was next time when the team was allotted, just finalized, was getting finalized, his name was there. He made it to the team, that particular team. Okay? So children, it's very easy. You just have to keep concepts in mind and you can easily put articles there. Okay? Understand the exercises well and do them nicely in your books only. No notebooks. Okay? Take care of yourself, stay at home and be happy. Thank you.